Right. Well, we're tracking that line of severe showers and storms. One severe thunderstorm warning already issued for the western part of Ohio, but you can really see it with temperatures, even though we're not looking at radar. Look at Illinois, even Wisconsin. We're seeing just around mid to low 50s as far as temperatures and 40s out near Iowa. Now, these cooler temperatures will eventually push in the valley, and that's what's really leading the charge when it comes to the severe weather threat for today. Now, let's break it down for you and show you what we're looking at this morning. We did see a lightning strike in Columbiana County, far off from the center of that storm. But that first storm just pushing through Pittsburgh, but another storm that we're watching out near Mansfield, I-71, pushing up near the Akron-Canton region. Now, those two systems and storms are part of this large low pressure system. Now, that severe thunderstorm warning that we were watching now just around Lima up near Sandusky and pushing towards that area. Now, today we are expected to see that round of showers and storms push through into the early afternoon, even into the evening hours. Now, that low pressure system that we're talking about, you can see it churning over the Great Lakes region. That low pressure system also having that cold front. That's that blue line that we're showing you. Behind this, cooler and drier air. Ahead of this cold front, though, it's that humid mugginess that's fueling those showers and storms, and why we're seeing a severe weather threat for this afternoon. Now, we are under a slight risk for severe weather, but what does that mean? All the parts of eastern Ohio, western Pennsylvania under that slight risk for today. That means that we could see not only damaging wind, but the threat for hail as well. A few of those stronger updrafts might be associated with an isolated shower and storm. So the hail threat for today, you can see most of Ohio and all of Pennsylvania under that threat. But the greatest threat for wind also includes our area. That goes from Columbus to Cleveland, Pittsburgh, even the Valley. We are going to see that later on this afternoon. We'll play that out in Future Tracker for you. Now this morning, except for those isolated showers and storms, we are seeing mostly dry parts of eastern Ohio, but that line of showers and stronger storms pushing through central Ohio come this morning. We're talking about 9, 10 o'clock throughout the morning hours. And the time we get into the lunch hour, just around noon into the early afternoon, that's when we could see those showers start to push in and develop. Now you combine the daytime heat with that, those isolated showers could be strong in spots, but notice how we're seeing that cooler, drier air right behind it begin to push that air and that warmer air towards the valley, and that's what's going to fuel those showers and thunderstorms. Not only are we seeing strong storms, but notice in the pink anywhere from southern Ohio into the valley. Around 4 o'clock, that's when we could expect the strongest storms in the valley. But the good news is that will push through by the overnight hours, and leading into this evening, we are expecting better conditions. But for today, we're seeing a high right around 83 degrees. The chance for stronger showers and storms mainly into the afternoon hours for our evening commute. But if we track it throughout the evening and overnight hours, we're looking at drier air pushing in and cooler air. We're looking at lows tonight into the mid 50s and our highs tomorrow only into the low 70s. There is a chance for some isolated showers throughout the morning, even into the early afternoon hours, but overall it's those cooler temperatures we're going to be talking about. Low 55 degrees, keeping an 80% chance of an isolated shower and storm, mainly for the early overnight hours. But tomorrow, those cooler temperatures we talked about, high only 83 degrees. And if we look throughout the temperature trend, we're seeing low to mid 80s, or excuse me, 70s for the start, and then only upper 70s for the end of the week. But notice how there's showers and storms mainly on Monday and then Tuesday morning. Besides that, we're looking at partly sunny skies and better weather for the week ahead. Dan?